How to customize your e-commerce. After you are logged in, you'll notice these icons on the screen. They allow you to make changes to your website. Add your logo. Hover over this icon and click on the Upload Image icon. Select your logo. Click Open, and your changes will be applied automatically. Change the text by choosing the Edit icon. You can adjust this window to light or dark mode. Your header line text goes here. After making changes, click on the Save and Close button. You'll see your changes instantly applied. Upload your products. Go to the Upload Image icon. Select your product's image and click Open. Your product's image is now uploaded. Now go to the Edit icon. Adjust your product's name. Change the product description here, and in Summary field you can add some text you want to show below the product. Go to the e-commerce tab to set the price of your product and edit the volume discount. Let's change to 85% value or 15% discount. Apply discount changes and click on the Save and Close button so all the changes you made can be applied. Your e-commerce is fully functional and ready to be connected to your PayPal account. Contact the Web On Demand team to finish the settings. If you want to display more products than there are in this template, contact the Web On Demand team and expand your e-commerce. In this case, importing your products will be automated and even simpler since there is an Import Products from Google Sheets tool. After you replace the existing data with your product's data, you are only one click away from applying and displaying your changes. Contact us and learn more.